Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Charli XCX CD is probably one of the most sought-after items for pop music enthusiasts, offering a unique blend of catchy melodies, thought-provoking lyrics, and a distinct artistic vision that sets her apart from other artists in the genre. This in-depth review will explore the various editions available, examining their unique features, sound quality, packaging, and overall value to help you make an informed decision when choosing which Charli XCX CD to add to your collection. Number 5. How I'm Feeling Now. This is a new way to express yourself and connect with others. It's designed to help you understand and share your emotions. It's easy to use and provides a safe space for self-reflection. It helps you identify and label your feelings. Share your feelings with friends and family, or find others who understand what you're going through. It fosters empathy and connection. It's a tool for self-discovery and personal growth. It empowers you to express yourself honestly and openly. It provides a supportive community where you can share your experiences and connect with others. It's a place to feel understood and accepted. Download it now and begin exploring your emotions. It's time to understand and share how you're feeling. What we like. It's a groundbreaking album that blends hyperpop with introspective lyrics. If you are looking for an album that will take you on an emotional journey, this is the one for you. Its catchy hooks and innovative soundscapes will leave you wanting more. What people say. The cover photo looks much better than on a CD. It is a fantastic album. Vinyl came extremely fast. In perfect condition. Sounded amazing. Just as described, 10/10 seller. As far as the music, it's outstanding, but I'll review the state of the product here. From what I've heard of it, no static or warping upon arrival. Cover isn't bent, and nothing is discolored or damaged. The color of this record is very cool and looks pink under certain light. The music isn't distorted or choppy, but sounds great throughout. Number 4. Charli. Get ready to meet Charli, your new companion. It's designed to make your life easier and more enjoyable. Charli offers seamless communication, connecting you with the world effortlessly. Experience clear and concise conversations. It's incredibly intuitive and easy to use. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can master its features. Charli integrates seamlessly into your existing tech ecosystem. Enjoy a unified and streamlined experience. With Charli, the possibilities are endless. Explore its capabilities and discover new ways to improve your daily life. Customize it to perfectly fit your needs and preferences. Make it truly your own. What we like. This album is a testament to Charli's artistic evolution. If you appreciate boundary-pushing music and innovative sounds, this album is a must-have. Its genre-bending nature and experimental production will challenge and excite your senses. What people say. The music tantalizes all your senses and is so emotional. The lyrics are amazing, well thought out, and the melodies are so catchy. The sound is high quality. The vinyl came in perfect condition, same with the cover. Number 3. True Romance Perfume. This is more than just a fragrance, it's an experience. Let it transport you to a world of passion and intrigue. The top notes are a burst of freshness, quickly giving way to a captivating heart of floral and fruity scents. It's a romantic blend that will captivate your senses and leave a lasting impression. Heart notes are where the magic truly happens. It's designed to linger, a subtle reminder of your captivating presence throughout the day. The base notes provide warmth and depth. Indulge in the luxurious scent and let it become your signature. It's the perfect expression of your unique personality. Discover the perfect scent to express your romantic side. It's available now. What we like. It's a collection of songs that evoke feelings of nostalgia and romance. If you like music that makes you want to dance and reminisce, this is the perfect choice. Its blend of dance pop and romantic lyrics will transport you to another time and place. What people say. The first song I heard by Charli, You, Ha Ha Ha, expertly samples one of my favorite songs, You by Gold Panda. As for music styles on this album, everything is in the range of pop dance music, but is actually quite fresh sounding even in a music market full of people who are attempting similar things. Since buying this album, What I Like has been on constant repeat in my car, at my desk at work, in my head. It's got a 90s chill groove dressed up with a aughts auto-tuned chorus that is unbelievably catchy. Number 2. Sucker Cleaning Tool. This is the Sucker, your new best friend for effortless cleaning. It's designed to make quick work of messes, big or small. It boasts powerful suction to lift dirt and debris with ease. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and hello to sparkling clean surfaces. Despite its power, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to maneuver. You'll be able to clean hard-to-reach areas without any strain. It's incredibly versatile. Use it on floors, countertops, upholstery. It tackles any cleaning challenge with ease. Emptying it is a breeze. Simply detach the canister and dispose of the waste. Cleaning your cleaner has never been easier. Watch how effortlessly it cleans various surfaces. See for yourself how much time and effort it saves you. What we like? It's a bold and unapologetic statement of self-expression. If you are looking for an album that is both dark and danceable, this is it. Its aggressive beats and rebellious spirit will resonate with listeners who crave something edgy and unique. What people say. Clean. And by clean I mean excellent vocals. No whining, a cross between anthems that remind one of the 80s and rebellion of the 90s. Some of the songs are foot-tappingly catchy, and others are earworms that are hard to not sing while walking around. Energizing and upbeat. Her voice has profoundly matured radically, and the self-satirical Break the Rules and, oh, forgot title, pop star blues song shows true personal development. Number 1. Break the Rules. Get ready to challenge conventions. It's time to rewrite the rules. It empowers you to break free from limitations. Discover what you're truly capable of. It delivers an experience that surpasses all your expectations. Prepare to be amazed. It opens up a world of possibilities you never thought existed. The future is in your hands. It's more than a product, it's a statement. Dare to be different. It sets a new standard. Feel the power of innovation. What we like? It's a collection of upbeat pop anthems that are guaranteed to get you moving. If you like classic pop with a modern twist, this is the album for you. Its catchy melodies and upbeat tempo will make you want to sing along. What people say. The track is amazing. You can really flip out to it. Upbeat music, you can easily dance to it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.